Welcome back, dear children. I hope everyone have enjoyed your holidays and celebrated your Christmas and New Year festivals. We have stepped on a new year 2021. In this year, everyone should study well and achieve your goals. May God bless you, children. Okay, now we are going to study about History Unit 1, Society and Cultural in Ancient Tamilagam, the Sangam Age. We have already learnt about ancient cities of Tamilagam. Already we know Madurai has been one of the oldest cities in India, and Madurai was a trading town. Madurai nickname is Sangam Valatha Nagaram. The word Sangam refers to the association of poets who flourished under the royal patronage of the Pandya king at Madurai. The poems composed by these poets are collectively known as Sangam literature. The period in which these poems were composed is called the Sangam Age. The period in which these poems were composed is called the Sangam Age. Sources. Already we have learnt about two types of sources. First one, archaeological sources, and another one, literary sources. Some examples for archaeological sources are tools, coins, rock edicts, ornaments, and etc. Some examples for literary sources are epics, inscriptions, stories, and poems, etc. Here they have given about the sources of the Sangam age. Inscriptions. Hadigumba inscriptions of King Karavela of Kalinga, Pugalur inscription, Ashokan edicts 2nd and 13th, and inscriptions found at Mangulam, Alagarmalai, and Keelavalaivu, all near Madurai. Second one, copper plates. Velvikudi and Chinnamanur copper plates. Third one, coins issued by Cheras, Cholas, Pandyas, and the chieftains of Sangam age, as well as the Roman coins. Fourth one, megalithic monuments, burial and hero stones. Fifth one, excavated materials from Adichanallur, Arikamedu, Kodumanal, Pugar, Korkai, Alagarkulam, Urayur. Sixth one, literary sources. Tolkapiyam, Ettu Togai, Pattu Pattu, 11 Kilkanakku, Pattinapalai, and Madurai Kanji, epics Silapadigaram and Manimegalai. Foreign notices. The Periplus of the Erythraean Sea, Phillinis Natural History, Ptolemy's Geography, Magasanis Indica, Rajavali Mahavamsa and Deepavamsa. Tolkapiyam is a work on Tamil grammar. It represented the quality of Tamil language and the culture of Tamil people of the Sangam age. Here they have given about time span, Tamilagam, age, cultural, polity, dynasties ruled. First one, time span. Time span 3rd century BC to 3rd century AD. Tamilagam, Vengadam, Tirupati Hill in the north to Kanyakumari, in the south bounded by sea on the east and the west. Age, Iron Age, cultural, megalithic, polity, monarchy, dynasty ruled, the Cheras, the Cholas, and the Pandyas. George L. Hart, professor of Tamil language at the University of California, has said that Tamil is the oldest Latin The language arose as an entirely independent tradition with no influence of other language. Thank you, dear children. The next video we will learn about Movender's Learn Well, Do Well.